Alright, so pretty quick video. I couldn't find any videos for it, so I had to figure it out myself. It's not hard. This is basically just a visual, so it's a lot easier for you. But you take the pan off, and this is what you see. There's gonna be 3 bolts on the oil pump. 1, 2, 3. So you take those 3 bolts off, and then this whole thing comes loose. Now, it was hard for me to get it off by just trying to pull the tensioner, which is right here, backwards, like this. It was hard to get slack because you can't really get it off of the wheel. So what I did was just unbolted this, then you can slide the pump off of the wheel, and then you can just take the wheel off. And see that, you know, the old one, take that bolt out, which is right here. That should just fucking, should just come off. So take that off, you can just take that out, and then you pull this off. Put it back in. I kept it with the wheel on. I also stripped it, but you just fit it back in how it's supposed to go, and you have to hold this tensioner back while you do it so you have enough slack, and just try and feed it on to the chain just like a bike, and it should be pretty simple. But yeah, and that's it. See ya.